While we're waiting, I keep getting asked about sari-sari stores. I mean, after all the years I've been here, there's many times that I keep getting asked. Sari-sari stores is a money pit. It really, really is a money pit. The only reason this one survives is because it's well established for years. And Manny now, Mel's mum's other daughter, she runs it, and the place is never ever not stocked. It's always full of stock. You'll never go and the shelves empty. She really runs it very well, and even then she only makes a little profit. She doesn't make a massive amount, and it's 24/7, guys. And don't forget, you've come over to the Philippines. You've not come here to sit in a sari-sari store all day. You want to get out, you want to see things. Not every day, but if you own a sari-sari store, it's 24/7. You can't trust anybody else to run it. You might think you can, but trust me, you can't. So it's either shut the store down or you don't go anywhere. And then when you go to stock the store, who do you leave in charge of the store? You know, if your wife's going, she'll want your help. Do you see where I'm coming from? It's not worth the time and much effort you're going to put into it. But that's just my opinion. Here we go. The police are here. Oh, I get special treatment. Oh yeah, sir. I knew I'd have to sit next to the clown.
Yeah. Can we selfie?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay.
So obviously the tourist police are PMP, but they're just a different unit. So don't get confused when I say there's PMP officers here and then there's the tourist police unit. They're all the same. It's just tourist police have a special duty.
Yeah, and this just have a different unit.
Yeah,
so
for
where
tourists.
you come from, sir?
I'm from the UK. It's all been put together by the police and the army. It's not just the police that's done it.
Hi Chris,
I've got to talk to this other blogger. Look.
please subscribe. I'm Brit in the Philippines with Chris Friend. Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you tell us a little bit about how this all happened? I know it's an outreach program, isn't it? So, it's the army and the police, yeah?
This is a joint activity between the Philippine Army and the Philippine National Police. Community outreach program, we have the Libreng Gupit and some other activities for the children. We have games and gift giving.
So, gift, food, no?
Gift giving.
Are they giving food? Yeah.
Some kind of toys for them.
Is this the first time that this outreach has happened?
No?
No?
This is a regular activity. We have other than outreach program, we have other activities where the Philippine Army and the Philippine police join together.
Right.
This is a cooperation and collaboration between and among the AFP, the PNP, and of course the community.
Yeah, it's really good. And tell my subscribers your channel. What's your channel?
Yeah.
Shout.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Team Katuwang Mo.
Yeah. I'll put the link to his channel below this video. But you can see it. Look at all this. Look at all these kids. This is amazing. Right, guys. Now, I had some, well, not a lot. I had a few unpleasant messages when we were asking for help for the cemetery family and this, that and the other, saying, why is it when you do these things you're always asking for help? Well, we're not asking for help today. This has all been done by the army and police. I'll try and get the names of the officers involved on the video. I will put the names at the end if my officer friend sends me the names. But I don't know about you, but I think it's absolutely brilliant that the police, the army are getting involved with the local people and just showing them that, you know, they're just like us, except they have a uniform. Oh, look at this, guys. They're cutting the kids' hair. The kids need a haircut. They're cutting the kids' hair. I wonder if they'll give me a haircut. Bless them. Hi. I can't see any food. Here's my clown friend. We're very good friends now, by the way. Now, in case you're wondering, he is a policeman. So the children are 4 to 12 years old. They're going to get some kind of a toy, I believe. They're going to also get macaroni soup. They're going to get some drinks. There's lots of drinks over there, fruit drinks. And they're going to do, Rommel tells me they're going to do another feeding program in about 10 days.
Ang kawata, hep hep, hooray! Ang manggana ay kuwang 500 pesos.
I mean, I personally would like to thank the Army and the PMP for doing all this. It's amazing. I love to see the kids jumping up and down happy. And you know, it doesn't take a lot to make these kids happy.
Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hep hep! Ano katawa ka mo? Arugan mo na rin daw ako!
I'm just wondering if there'll be any candy spare, because I'm a big kid, I really like the candy.
Ay! Tanggal! Nahuurag ay! Oo! Ano yan? Si Bungi! Ilingot na ito si Bungi! Nagtataho na!
Do you know what? It's very windy, but it's very comfortable.
Hali ka na boy! Hali ka na
You know,
boy!
it takes the edge off the heat a bit because the sun's been out most today. You'll be amazed to
Kasi daw
know.
manggagana kang premyo ko ay ang grand prize, manggagana ka mong sarong pulis sa kasarong army. Hep hep! Hooray! Hooray! Isa ni Aki.
So again, thank you to all involved, the police and the army.
May bata na ay.
Thank you so much for making this happen. Look at the kids, look how happy they are.
Hooray! Hooray! like a fire.